I shook up the world! I shook up the world! I shook up the world!
I don't know that my list will shake up the world like the immortal Muhammad Ali said he did when he knocked out Sonny Liston way back when. But I do know that each product on my list of 5 digital products that'll make you money in 2024, yeah, each one can make you money. And you can take those words to the bank. Come on. Welcome back to Side Hustle Rules. My name is Lou Reyes. I am so glad you're here because in this video, I'm going to tell you about 5 digital products that you can launch in 2024, 5 digital products that can make you money. Now, I think just about anyone watching this video can launch one of these side hustles. A couple are easy to do. A few may take a few more minutes to set up, but each one, as I've said, can make you money. Now, I'm going to tell you about each digital product, and then I'm also going to share some of my insight into setting up these businesses. Now, I want to say this. As a guy who owned a chain of business-to-business magazines, I owned a weekly newspaper, 2 national trade show companies, and I started almost a dozen other businesses. I can give you a unique perspective that you're not going to hear anywhere else. So now, let's dive into our video. Buy me a coffee. If you're a creator or if you are thinking of becoming one, then sign up for this website. It's called buymeacoffee.com. And buymeacoffee.com is a platform that allows creators or artists or really just about anyone to receive support and appreciation in the form of what they call coffees, or really they're small payments from your audience. Now, creators can set up a profile, they can share their work, and supporters, your supporters, can buy you a virtual coffee just as a way of contributing to your endeavors or really just expressing gratitude for your content. Now, this is a very popular platform for crowdfunding and really supporting creators. Now, buymeacoffee.com, they charge a 5% transaction fee, but you get to keep 95% of the earnings, which I think is a nice amount for you to keep. They do most of the work. Now, payments are processed instantly on your Stripe account, which is another real good benefit of Buy Me a Coffee. Now, if you want to see how it works, you can check out my buymeacoffee.com website. Now, there is a link to in the description box to my Buy Me a Coffee. And while you're at it, if you think about it, you can go ahead and you can buy me a coffee. eBook reseller. This is a person who purchases a digital book with the intention of reselling that book for a profit. Now, one of the ways or one of the places that you can go to buy a digital ebook is called PLR Hustle. It's a website that sells you the digital rights to a book. Now, you buy these products and they can be resold under your own brand name. So you can set up a site and sell these online products under a name that you decide to use for your business. Now, the potential for high profit margins are significant because, after all, you're buying an ebook. There's no production costs associated with it whatsoever. And selling ebooks, to me, in my mind anyway, it's just an ideal way to create a passive income stream, because once an ebook is created and then you list it for sale, well, it can just generate passive income. Now, if you want to learn more about ebooks, check out my video. Got a video I created about a year ago. It's called Make Money While You Sleep. Sell ebooks online and make passive income. I'm going to put a link or include a link to that video in the description box. Digital courses. Now, if you follow my channel, you know I've mentioned this particular, what I'll call a side hustle, more than a few times. But I'm mentioning it again here because I know it can be a very profitable business if you want to generate passive income. And I'm mentioning it again because with ChatGPT, the emergence of ChatGPT in the last year, well, that platform can help you create your content. But there are other reasons, compelling reasons why this is a stellar side hustle. First, once your course is created and once you market it effectively using a social media, well, you know what? It just becomes this profitable evergreen asset that's going to generate revenue so you can focus on some other stuff. But the other thing that makes this a great great side hustle is automation. Automation makes this side hustle almost effortless to launch, especially when you use Teachable to handle your course delivery and sales. Now, if you want to see an example of an online digital course using Teachable, well, check out a course that I created called the Side Hustle Starter Kit Video Edition. Now, I created this course prior to the emergence of ChatGPT, which just means I didn't use that platform to create my course. But I did upload it to Teachable, and I let that Teachable platform handle everything, and that includes paying me when somebody buys my course. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to include a link to my course in the description box of this video so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Affiliate income. Now, instead of telling you something that you already know, like affiliate income is a great way to earn passive income, well, let me just tell you about 3 affiliate income opportunities, digital opportunities that could be right for you. Now, the first one is one that I use, and it is through a company called Career Fitter. Career Fitter creates a career aptitude test that I personally think is one of the very best out there. Folks can take the free Career Fitter career aptitude test. If they take it, they like it, they want more information, then what they do is they buy the paid version, which goes a lot deeper into the career aptitude test and helps them to find that job that I say better fits their skills, their personality, and their interests. So once they take that paid version, you earn a percentage. You earn a percentage of the money that they paid for that particular opportunity to look into their career a little bit further. Now, let me tell you about a couple other ones. Taskverse. Now, Taskverse is another opportunity for you to earn passive income through a digital product. And what Taskverse is, it's an app that allows you to pick up and complete paid tasks from anywhere in the world using your smartphone. And as a tasker, as they're called, you can participate in simple tasks such as recording simple videos or transcribing audio or tagging words. And they've got a lot of opportunities for folks out there. But this is a digital product that you possibly could use. You'll have to contact the company, see if they will accept you or if you qualify. But why not consider Taskverse as one of those opportunities to earn affiliate income? Prime Opinion. Now, this is the last of the 3 affiliate income opportunities that I want to tell you about. And there's also sponsorship opportunities, which I really actually didn't mention, but I do want to say that now. So listen, Prime Opinion, what is it? Well, it's a highly rated company that offers a simple way for a person to boost their daily income. And they can boost their daily income just by completing a free online survey. So someone takes a survey, Prime Opinion pays them for the survey. How you make money or how you can make money through affiliate income is you put their link in the social media page that you have, whether it's a Twitter, whether it is a Facebook, or maybe it's an Instagram. But you promote Prime Opinion and you make money. Now, you can contact them and see if you qualify. I'll put their link in the description box, as I said, so you can check it out. But there are other opportunities, many other opportunities for affiliate income. Digital Tourist Guide. Now, creating a digital tourist guide for your city as a side hustle, as a digital product, it allows you to tap into this growing trend of tourists who want to have a unique experience. And travelers, they're definitely seeking out authentic and unique experiences when they visit a city, a new city. And your digital guide, well, it can be a valuable resource by offering a curated insight into favorite spots and even off the beaten path kind of attractions. Now, I'm really talking about hidden gems beyond the typical tourist trap that people a lot of times just seem to fall into. Now, with the right marketing, I think this side hustle not only satisfies the curiosity of travelers, but it also has the potential to generate income through digital ad sales, through sponsorships, and even partnerships with local businesses who are always, and seems to me anyway, to be eager to showcase their offerings to a much broader audience. Now, you can sell your guide on platforms like Shopify, or maybe even you can sell them on buymeacoffee.com. And I mentioned that in the the #1 digital product here. But you can also market it through social media, and then you can strike up a conversation or relationship with other content creators who may decide they want to go ahead and help you to promote your digital tourist guide. I think this is a great side hustle, so consider this a digital tourist guide. Well, there you go, my friends. I've just told you about 5 digital products that can make you money in 2024. And I thought a lot about this video, about these digital products before I recorded this video, because I wanted to make sure to give you something unique. I wanted to share a perspective that you're not going to hear anywhere else. I also wanted to give you some ideas that I really believe can make you money if you put some effort into it. And I do want to stress that you do have to put some effort into these side hustles. None of them, and as most of you know out there, nothing that you do is going to be profitable if you don't put some time and some effort into it. Yeah, some of these are easy to do. They still require effort. So that's all I've got for you. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and make a comment in the comment box. Let me know if there's something you'd like to see that I haven't shown you or told you about. Let me know that too. Also, if you have any questions, send me an email. Other than that, I'm going to ask you to give me a thumbs up if you found value in what you heard here today. And as I always say, have a great day, everybody.
Come on!